Zoom just announced a mail and calendar client, as well as a mail and calendar service at Zoomtopia 2022. These products will help you efficiently communicate without losing focus, quickly access your communications, and easily schedule and join meetings. So what's the difference between the mail and calendar client and the mail and calendar service? And how can you check them out during this beta period? Well, let's take a look. Included in the November release of the Zoom application, the Mail and Calendar client allows you to connect your existing Google or Microsoft 365 accounts to access them directly within Zoom. Quickly check your email, share the email in a team chat channel, and schedule a meeting, all without leaving Zoom. Be aware that if you don't see the mail or calendar options along the top of the Zoom app, you are either on an older version of Zoom and need to update, or the features have not yet been enabled by your Zoom account administrator. Now, for certain paid accounts, the Mail and Calendar service is a Zoom-hosted option that results in a new, unique email address. You can have a Zoom email address with the zmail.com domain, or for Zoom One business accounts or higher, deploy with a custom domain. One feature to highlight, emails sent directly between active Zoom Mail service users will benefit from end-to-end encryption, so long as the Zoom Mail service user has one or more devices associated with their email address. So simplify and consolidate your workflows by integrating your mail and calendar with Zoom today.